Hey there, raiders! Here's how to get weird corals in sand. Weird corals are an important resource used to unlock various upgrades, equipment, and trampler improvements later in the game. Unlike resources such as coral chunks, weird corals aren't typically found inside crates or containers. As of the time of making this video, the primary way to obtain them is as a random drop from the zombie-like enemies found in areas infected by coral growth. To find these enemies, head to key points of interest marked by the presence of pink coral formations. Common locations include shipwrecks, towns on islands, and other major landmarks scattered around the map. Once there, hunt down the hostile infected enemies and take the loot they drop after defeating them. Keep in mind that weird corals are not guaranteed drops, so you may need to farm multiple enemies before collecting a useful amount. Because of this, gathering weird corals can be both time-consuming and risky. Not only will you have to deal with hostile NPCs, but other players may also contest these locations and interfere with your farming. For the best chances of finding weird corals, focus your efforts on the named island locations, as they tend to contain more infected enemies and coral-covered areas. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.